Welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. I'm Barrister Garn, and today we're discussing civil litigation procedures in Thailand's courts and how to prepare for them. Navigating the legal system can be complex, so let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Mediation. Once the plaint or complaint has been filed, the court schedules a mediation meeting. This is an opportunity for the involved parties to reach an agreement without proceeding to a full trial. If the parties reach a consensus, a compromise agreement is drawn up, which is legally binding. Failure to comply with this agreement can result in immediate enforcement actions. Step 2. Determining the issues. If mediation doesn't result in an agreement, the court sets a date to define the disputed issues in the case. During this appointment, the court asks the parties to clarify which aspects of the case they accept and which they contest. The court then formally establishes the disputed issues and instructs each party to bring witnesses who will be examined in relation to these issues. Step 3. Examination of witnesses. This is a crucial stage, as it plays a significant role in determining the outcome of the case. In Thailand, courts often prefer witness statements over oral testimonies. This means that prior to this appointment, lawyers are required to compile written statements from their witnesses. These documents are submitted to the court, saving time that would otherwise be spent on questioning witnesses. However, opposing counsel is given the opportunity to cross-examine witnesses based on their statements. It's important for the lawyer to issue a subpoena in advance to ensure that witnesses, documents, and any other relevant materials are available for this stage. Step 4. Judgment. Approximately 1 month after the witness examination, a date is set for the court to deliver its judgment. This is when the court announces its decision on the case. Now that we've covered the steps, let's talk about preparation. Being well prepared is essential for a successful legal process. 1. Gather evidence. Collect all documents, records, and any other material that can support your case. 2. Witness. Preparation. Ensure your witnesses are well prepared and understand the importance of their testimonies. 3. Legal counsel. Engage a knowledgeable lawyer who is familiar with Thai civil law to guide you through the process. 4. Understand the issues. Be clear on what the issues are and have a well-thought-out strategy for addressing them. Thank you for tuning into today's episode. If you have questions or need assistance with civil litigation in Thailand, feel free to reach out to us at Siam Center Law Group. I'm Barrister Garn, wishing you the best in your legal endeavors. Until next time.